Does direct mail still work? They're creating lead-nurturing email series instead of billboard ads. No one likes flashy, salesy, in-your-face marketing, but content intentionally created to be beneficial to your customers? Direct mail involves sending recipients postcards in the mail, hoping they'll read the messaging before they dump it into the trash bin. It's a classic strategy that banks, credit card companies, and local boutiques have used for decades to spread the word about their services. Does direct marketing still work in today's inbound-driven world? 1. Cost versus reward. Mailing lists can cost anywhere from $20 to $75 per thousand records, depending on the quality of the records. That doesn't include the cost of each piece of mail, which may be anywhere from 20 cents to $1 based on the quality of the paper and the color of the ink. 2. Do you want sales or leads? When you buy a list from a direct mail marketing company, they'll often talk about how many prospects you'll reach with their list and how many leads those prospects will turn into. Even if they could make that promise, which they can't, responses don't mean anything unless the leads actually turn into a sale. 3. Do you the emotional impact of direct mail? Mailbox. All of a sudden, we feel happier than a kid on his way to the new Toy Story movie. If you like this content, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. If your content can create an emotional connection with your customers, you're much more likely to get a sale. This is likely the biggest reason why direct mail outperforms other types of advertising. 4. Make it personalized or forget it? Don't be responsible for junk mail. Don't be responsible for junk mail. Create something customers want to read, something that sets you apart from the sea of spam. One easy way to separate your direct mail is to use standalone mail. Standalone direct mail refers to pieces of mail you send to prospects without any branding or messaging from another company, such as a postcard or holiday mailer that is from only your company. Shared mail refers to flyers like Valpak and Red Plum, where you share marketing space with other companies. However, both types of mailers suffer from the flaw of being direct mail sent to a purchased mailing list. So, should you do it? Back to our direct mail loving client. He was dead set on the idea that direct mail would boost traffic to his site better than any inbound marketing strategy. He said, but the direct mail company said its response rates are through the roof compared to other forms of marketing. If you want to use direct mail as an element of your overall marketing plan, so be it. It's difficult to track the ROI of direct mail. And even if you do find success after a direct mail campaign, you won't necessarily know that's the reason why. Include beneficial content your customers will actually enjoy reading. Create an inbound marketing strategy that provides an ROI. If you want help with your modern marketing efforts, sign up for a free strategy session here. If you enjoy reading, I wrote a book. It's about the forgotten fundamentals of marketing, The Golden Toilet by Steve Brown. Get it today on Amazon, https://amazon.to/3bj8v7.